Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to MrBeastify your thumbnails. On this video I'm gonna share with you a website which will uh, place MrBeast with a green screen on your thumbnail. You just have to create your thumbnail and upload on that site and select whatever you want, which kind of picture of MrBeast to look more cool. So let's see our today's tutorial how it can be useful for you. Okay, for beastifying your videos you just have to go on your browser, search for MrBeastify. MrBeastify your thumbnail, and in here you have to select any kind of photos. You can see I have beastified my thumbnails from of Google board like this, and you can see the result that I'm gonna show you right now how you can do this with your thumbnails. You can upload, for example, whatever your thumbnails are. You can upload this video and see the result. Click on this and wait. It will make you, if you wanna be perfect in this, it is in front of your text. First of all, you have to create your background of your thumbnail, and after that specify your thumbnail, and next you have to add your text or whatever you want. In here we can specify your thumbnail again. If you dislike this photo of MrBeast, you can wait for another that has a lot of green screen ready to uh, do apply it on your video. You have to choose. You can see like this. If you dislike that photo, we are gonna select another one. Mm, like this one photo. And see the next result. I need some photo of MrBeast on the right side. So I'm trying to find some ones on the right side like this. So it is so much cool, and you can download your thumbnail. It is high quality thumbnail. You can see it is completely for free. You can use it from everywhere. So this was our today's tutorial. You just the things you have to mention, you have to remember in your mind is, first of all you have to create your background of thumbnail in Canva, and after that come with this, you can add the MrBeast photo, and after that you can go back to Canva, upload your uh, thumbnail with a picture of MrBeast. After that, starting editing whatever you want, it will be better for you. So this was our today's tutorial. See you next video.